Introducing the magnificent Medicinal Garden Kit, the perfect solution for nurturing your own natural remedy collection. With our kit, you'll be able to create your own herbal teas, essential oils, and skincare products using ingredients that are easily available in your garden or local area. As you begin your journey into the world of medicinal gardens, you'll discover the numerous benefits these natural remedies can provide. Not only do they taste great, but they also offer a sense of achievement and pride in what you can grow and create. Our Medicinal Garden Kit comes with everything you need to get started, including a collection of pre-made herbal teas, essential oils, and homemade skincare products. Our team of experts has carefully selected the highest quality ingredients to ensure that your remedies are both effective and enjoyable to use. But that's not all. Our kit also includes detailed instructions and a step-by-step guide to help you create your own unique remedies tailored to your specific needs. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, alleviate stress, or simply improve your overall health and well-being, the possibilities are endless. So why wait? Embrace your inner herbalist and start nurturing the medicinal garden of your dreams with our Medicinal Garden Kit. Get yours today and discover the wonderful world of natural remedies right in your own backyard. Please click on the link given below the video description. Thanks for watching my video and subscribe my channel.